Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you another behind the scenes of a shoot that I did using only natural light with two models. I collaborated with models Millie and Megan for the styling and theming for this shoot. For the first spot, I placed my models in the only remaining greenery in the park. We then took individual portraits. The sun was behind the clouds, which allows you to light the model from the front using the direct sun. This will give you beautiful diffused lighting. The sun eventually came out from behind the clouds, and my model was being backlit. My other model, Millie, picked a few flowers from the park and posed with them. In almost all of my shoots, I use props or flowers. This is one of the easiest ways to get a variety of poses in your shots. Megan is actually a new model, and one of the things she told me while we were taking some close-up portraits is that she tries to think about something while she's posing to bring emotion onto her face. I think this is a great tip for a beginner or a professional model and can really help to make a photo feel more natural. This was my first time shooting with two models, so we tried experimenting with different poses. Some where the models were standing side by side, and some where the models were closer together. I found that the more intimate photos created a more powerful image and helped create more of a narrative. Always review the images with your models between shooting, because they can also help you come up with poses and they can see how the photos are coming out. This next spot was my favorite from the whole shoot. We found a field with tall grass that was being backlit by the sun. We tried posing both standing and sitting in the grass. We also tried some poses where one model was holding the other, and we tried poses where one was laying in the other's lap. We even tried mixing the long hair from the models together. This shoot was really focused on experimenting with as much posing as possible. When shooting on an overcast day like this, it's easy to have your photos come out with dull colors, so I wanted to show you how I bring warmth and color back into the photos. First, I do the skin retouch. Second, I do dodge and burn and brighten the entire image. Then, I do some color grading. And finally, some minor patch tool work, warming up the image, and some sharpening. And here's the final before and after. I had my models lie down in the grass, and I shot with my camera above them to give a different perspective. here's another before and after comparison. First, the skin retouch, then dodge and burn and brightening the image, then color grading. And again, minor patch tool work, warming up the image, and some sharpening. For the final spot, my models and I went down to the water and shot on these rocks. The models were being lit from the front by the light on the horizon, creating beautiful diffused lighting. This last photo was taken with just minutes of light left. The sky was dark and moody, and the beautiful pink sky created for a beautiful backdrop. And here's the final before and after comparison. First, the skin retouch. Second, dodge and burn and brightening. Third, the coloring. And finally, patchwork, warming up the image, and sharpening. And here's the before and after. That's all I have for you today. Thank you to everyone involved in this shoot. If you liked this video, please press the like button and subscribe for more future behind the scenes. Everyone out there, stay safe and healthy. My name is Raphael, and I'll see you next time. Bye.